guys, I am Ridoy. Today I am coming with you a brand new video how to add a Google captcha on your WordPress website. I will show you how to add Google captcha in your WordPress website. So the question may come to your mind why it should be done. So if I visit and trying to log in my so you will see I need to log in this form. I need to add here Google captcha. Why you need to do this? You need to do this to protect your website. It is often seen that hacker can run DDoS attack on your site, but this can causes many problem on your website. So it can be seen that your site will be down, no one will be able to access your site, so you can facing this problem. So you must add Google captcha on your site. I told you today that you can add your website Google captcha. So now I am just logging to my dashboard panel. So here the login. If your site is great with WordPress, then you can do it easily. You need to help of a plugin. There are many plugins great, but if you need to use a plugin, then you can do it. So I'm again just click on login. So now net is slow, that's why. So you see, and now I am just my dashboard panel. So just click on plugin and click on add new. So here search on Google captcha. So but I will install plugin now. So here you will see here the lot of plugin, but I just install this plugin. When it will be installed, I need to active. So it's successfully installed. Just I click on active. Make sure if you're new on my YouTube channel and subscribe now and click on the bell icon. So if I upload any video, you will get a notification from me. So you will see here some plugin I already installed, but I am just trying to hear the setting page. Just click on setting. You will see here the options. So here the site key, secret key I need to install here. So select the place where you want to add Google captcha. Here the option login form, registration form, comment form, and contact form, testimonial. If you want, you can add, but it's maybe premium. So I just I just select this default option. So you can also add here, but it's premium. So you will see here is upgrade pro. Height, you can add height captcha for administrator or contributor, subscriber. You can add here if you want. So now just click on save change. So now I need to add here site key. So just click on get API key. You have 4 sites, so now I need to say again just click on create one and type here your website name. Just type, I just using version 2. I am not a robot. Okay, now you need to just copy your website, then click on add. Okay, then just click on accept, then just click on submit. So you need to remove this option. Just click on submit. Here see here the site key. Just I copy this option and paste here, and again I just copy this option and paste here. So now it's okay. So go to analytic, I just click on here save. You can see that now Google captcha has come to login from. So now I just going to another browser, then I just copy this link, and so I'm just going to new this mode. So you see here the Google captcha is now loading. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. So thank you for all watching the video.